Perfect. Good to sleep Manassi. Hotel with a view. Had a nice stay at Hotel Santika Premiere Ambon. Nice facilities and good value for money. Taramacasi. Good location near town. Attached to the hotel is a small upscale supermarket as well as Mr. DIY. Otherwise very convenient to take a grab to the mall if you need to buy more things. Good spread at breakfast. Food 3 night and every breakfast. I can only eat bread and western, probably my tongue. Good place, good location. Rekomendasi untuk setiap perjalanan. Recommended nice hotel. Best hotel in Ambon. A great hotel. Our stay here was amazing and the staff were amazing. Really great food at breakfast too. Satisfied tempat check and dan lobby tidak di lantai YG sama. Lovely view over the harbor. Stayed at Hotel Santika Premiere Ambon while transiting through Ambon. The service was fantastic. The breakfast was good and varied. The restaurant provided a variety of foods. Rooms were clean and quiet. We stayed on the 9th floor and had a lovely view of the harbor. Good place for business traveler. Need to add fitness center. One of the best hotel in Ambon. One of the best hotel in Ambon. Room with excellent view to Ambon Bay. Tempatnya strategis untuk Muslim. Tempatnya bagus, staffnya oke. Good. Excellent location, although it isn't so good for the price paid. Nice hotel. Stay here for 2 nights with around $100 only is the best deal in Ambon. Good hotel with good view. Nice clean hotel with pool. Nice place with big supermarket below. Also transport service etc. Pool with excellent view. All in oak.